Hello friends, this is Ashish Gupta from Delhi / Noida, and I am looking forward to meeting all of you in OPM Ignite Delhi. I am OPM 47. My interests are finance, real estate, exports and furniture manufacturing. We export furniture in about 42 countries and own a 4 lakh square feet commercial building in Noida and have our own co-working. We are getting into real estate in a big way and starting with acquiring of 2 projects. One, the erstwhile Greater Daewoo Motor Land, and 2, an ITS city on the Yamuna Expressway near Jewar Airport. I look forward to meeting friends, having a gala time and getting some insights into the real estate industry. Cheers, Ashish.